Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Equinox LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: all-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, satellite radio, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input and Bluetooth connection. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.